Hello you guys, welcome back to Hannah Watkins TV. Today I have a very glam and elegant DIY that I'm so excited to share with you. Today we will be creating some Chanel inspired art. We will be using some Dollar Tree items to complete some wall art and some candle holders. You will need 2 large tea light candles, or you can use pillar candles if you choose, 6 of the 4x6 mirrored frames, 2 glass tea light square candle holders, some bling diamond wrap, some scissors, 2 napkin rings. They come in a pack of 4 at the Dollar Tree. You will only need 2 of them, as well as some acrylic gems or rhinestones. You will also need a hot glue gun and some glue sticks to complete this DIY. Also, I found out later in the DIY that I will be using some popsicle sticks, so make sure that you have some of those too, or either a foam board for support. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button if you have not already done so, and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified of all new uploads. You can take some cardstock or plain paper to make 6 templates of the insert that is inside of the picture frame, or you can just take the insert and flip it over and use the solid white side as your background for this DIY. Taking your acrylic gems, just randomly place them on your picture frames, gluing them down with the hot glue. Now we want to work on creating our decals, and this is just a snippet of how I create my decals. I know some have been interested. I use a app on my computer after I find what I'm looking for, usually on Google, or I can create one. Here I found a Chanel quote that I liked, and I put it on my computer, and I had my machine cut it out on vinyl. Here you see me weeding out the quote, and now I'm going to take out all little parts that does not belong, and then I'm going to put it on tape so that I can transfer it to the glass of this picture frame. So removing the picture frame, the glass from the picture frame, I'm going to place my decal onto it. Now you guys, if you don't have a decal maker, you can clearly use vinyl stickers. They do sell them in the craft stores as well. Now we're going to use the quote as the middle piece, and the 2 end pieces are going to go on either side, and they should also have the gems and the white background as well. Taking our hot glue, we're going to adhere all 3 pieces together right at the seams. Make sure that you use ample amount of glue. And then this is where I found out that we would still need some support, so this is where you can use your poster board, foam poster boards, or your popsicle sticks for added support to the back, and I will show you how I incorporate popsicle sticks to the back in a second. Now take a moment to remove the picture props from the back of the picture frame. You can do it with your hand. They remove very easily. Just be very careful because they can easily also tear. Now these popsicle sticks I got from the Dollar Tree, And I'm just going to take one and pop it in half and glue it down to the seams for added stability. And this is how the first DIY should look. Very glam, very gorgeous, and very inspirational. A girl should be two things, classy and fabulous. Coco Chanel. The second DIY is up right now. So taking our square glass candle holders, we're going to create some Chanel inspired tea light candle holders. Now this is some bling that I had. You can use either the diamond ribbon wrap. I decided to go ahead and fancy it up a little bit, and I'm going to use this square piece bling. It's a little different, and I don't have many decor pieces with this bling on there. So we're just going to wrap some bling around the bottom portion of the tea light using some hot glue. And this is the finished look of the bling on the bottom. Now I did the same process as I did for the quote. I used my machine to create my image, and now I'm going to transfer it onto my tape, and I'm going to varnish it so that it'll transfer, and I'm going to insert it to the inner portion of my glass tea light candle holder so that it would last a lot longer. And I'm going to do this for two sides of the tea light candle holder. Now you guys could do it for one side or all sides or just two. Here's another optional step. We're going to add some diamond ribbon bling to the perimeter of our large tea light candle holder, just to dress it up and keep it in the theme of elegance. Now we're going to glue down our napkin ring to the inside of the tea light candle holder, and then glue down the tea light to the napkin ring, and then we will be done. And here is the reveal of all of the DIYs. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please subscribe, share if you're feeling generous, and give me a thumbs up. I hope you're inspired to create something beautiful today. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed rest of your day.